It's like someone took my skin and peeled it off my body over a very large surface. I hurt, made my body ache to watch it. And, and it's affecting every aspect of their lives.
I know this because some famous actors told me.
Thanks, famous actors.
Thanks, famous actors.
Thanks, famous actors.
I had no idea.
No idea.
It turns out this is important.
Really important.
Really important.
Really, really important.
Because I thought it was, no big deal.
Again, thanks, famous actors, because
It's times like these when we realize just how lucky we are to have.
Famous Hollywood actors.
To guide us.
To guide us.
They know stuff we just don't know.
Stuff we can't know.
Because we're not famous actors.
And they're not just acting smart.
They are smarter.
They are smarter.
Let's be honest.
When a bunch of famous actors take time out of their busy day
Can look right into the camera.
And share their collective wisdom and insights, well,
You just have to pay attention.
I just wish they would offer their advice more often.
like
Where to invest my money?
how to raise my kids.
Whether I should take that job in Cincinnati,
what that lump is on my elbow,
please join us in sending a loud and clear message.
to each and every one of those Hollywood Einsteins.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks.
For nothing.
For nothing.
For nothing.
Thanks for nothing.